A very warm and refreshing good morning to all of you. My name is Piyusha Chopra of class 10th A. Today I am going to perform activity of dissection of flowers. This is the rose flower. Pink color part of this flower is known as petals. These are the petals. Below the petals, this green color part of the flower is known as sepals. The petals and the sepal does not take part in the process of reproduction. This part of the plant is known as the stamen. This upper part is known as the anther and this is the filament. The stamen is the male reproductive part which consists both anther as well as filament. The anther produces the male gametes in the form of pollen grains. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of a pistil is called pollination. This part of this flower is known as the stigma. Now we can clearly see the stamen as well as the stigma. I have removed all the parts of the flower. Let us open the ovary. The ovary part contains small ovules, as you can see. These are the ovules. This is known as petals. This green part is the sepals. This is the stamen which contain anther as well as filament. This is the ovary which have many ovules. These are the ovules. So this is the dissection of rose flower. Thank you.